Good evening, everybody. I'm so happy we've finally come to Chennai. And I'm really proud that I finally got the opportunity. Shah Rukh gave me the opportunity to play a South Indian girl. Being a South Indian myself, it's a culture that I'm extremely close to and very, very fond of. And I'm glad that I got the opportunity to play a South Indian girl. I hope all of you enjoy watching the movie as much as we've enjoyed making it. And I think you should speak now.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's do the chant again before we hear from him. Come on. S-R-K, 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 S-R-K.
Thank you very much. First of all, let me say, everyone says I have a huge word of appreciation and thank you to everyone in the south of India, specifically in Chennai also, because I worked with some of the finest names of filmmakers, writers, technicians this country has had to offer to the world, and I have learned, I think, most of the craft that I know within films from great names like Mani Ratnam sir, of course Rajni sir, Kamal sir. I'd worked with Priyan and Santosh and Ravi and Manikandan. Most of the people have taught me such, yes, Ajit, yes, and so many wonderful people who I have had Madhavan, I've had the opportunity to interact with, so I thank you all. And Deepika trained me in a little bit of Tamil because now I need to keep learning it, so I'll say this. Chennai Rumba Nalla Irke.
I taught him that.
Deepika taught me that. Okay.
Second one?
Okay. Kunjam Kunjam Tamil Teriyum. And there's a dialogue in the film which the bad guy does, which I have ruttered because I need to. No, not mind it. Don't. Yes. Ui rode bandani, ui rode po mate, vetti peace aki, pasal enu piduve. Yeah. And of course, we would not have got this opportunity if it wasn't for Palam Silks and Jayashree Raviji. Thank you so much. Not only that, you know, when you make a film, you're always very nervous that, and I'd like to say this very, very specifically, neither of us, all the film people who have made Chennai Express, are in any position or situation or desire to in any which way belittle or make a spoof or anything. We're very proud as Indians of every culture that is there. I'm half South Indian, my mother's from Hyderabad. Deepika is, Satyaraj Saab, everybody. So we've done the best that we can. And here tonight, if we have made a slip up, please do forgive us. It's not because we haven't tried to make it right. It's just a simple slip up, and it's a comedic film. I think the whole family is going to enjoy it. And all this was possible because we have most of the people from Chennai, from Madras, from the rest of the south of India helping us out. And I think Palam Sarees, Silks was one of the foremost in them. So thank you, Jayashree, for helping us out with this. Yeah. And you know, I've been made to understand in the last 10 years the kind of leaps and bounds your company has taken and become among the top 5 sari brands in this country. And I wish you all the best. Genuinely, I thank you on behalf of the whole team from the bottom of our heart for being a part of this. And apart from that, you know, if it wasn't for you, we would not get this opportunity. Of course, we'd come to Chennai, we've shot bits and pieces in the film, but to have an opportunity which is so elegant and so grand, thank you so much once again, really. So we are indebted to you, and hopefully we will do justice to your brand also in the film. And I actually wanted to wear the sari, but then they told me it's kind of inappropriate. They said you should not. And then Deepika said, I'm doing a sari today, so you don't wear a sari. I would have 100% come in one of the saris and the silks that we do. And I do look nice, honest to God, I do look quite nice.
Yeah, I will vouch for that.
Shah Rukh, you should know that there was a gentleman in the audience who said that he actually dreamt that you could sport a Palam silk sari.
Actually, you know, I could tie like a lungi and do the lungi dance for you. Yeah? So,
We would love to see that, but in just a bit.
most certainly.
I think one of the things that we all have to say a big thank you to you for is when we saw the tribute to our superstar, our Talaivar, So that was such a beautiful gesture that you made from your end, and you actually called him Anna in the song. How did that come about?
You know, Mr. Honey Yo-Yo Singh, I get confused. Yo-Yo Honey Singh, I get confused with the names, but he's a sweetheart, and he came up with the idea that he wanted to do a tribute to Rajni sir. As a matter of fact, he said he wants to do a tribute to the greatest superstar the country's ever produced. So I said yes, of course, and this was about a month back or 20 days back, and he said, you know, it's to Rajni sir. And it is so apt for us. We are doing a film which is called Chennai Express. It's the train that we take on and go on a journey to the south. And I think it would be right, not out of place to say that it would be incomplete without the mention of Rajni sir in it. So I got that opportunity, and I called up Sundarya, his daughter, his family, and they've been always very kind to me. And I requested, is it okay, can I make I hope I don't, get it wrong. It's a fun thing, it's a naughty thing. So is it all right? And they were very kind, as the whole family always is. And so was Rajni sir, and they were very sweet. And Deepika has just finished a film with the great Thalaiva. So she said, you know, why not? And we actually worked 20 hours round the clock to shoot whatever we could so that we had some visual for it. So it may perhaps not be the best lungi dance that I could do, but I've tried my best, and I hope you guys enjoy it on that level.
We certainly loved it. Didn't we love it, guys? Right, Deepika, we'd like to ask you, how was your experience working with this superstar, and a few lines of Tamil for us, please?
I can tell you now.
Why don't you teach me?
Uyirode vandani, uyirode pomate.
Betty, peace, pizza.
Aki, parcel enupiduve.
Iru?
Don't make me say it. Parcel enupiduve. Yeah. Mind it. Okay.
The little Tamil I know, I've taught him, so I might end up repeating what he said. But working with Rajni sir was a fantastic experience. It's a different kind of film that we made. It's called performance capturing. And so it's not like a regular feature film where you shoot for 45 days, 50 days, 60 days. I had only 3 days of work with him. And I'll never forget when he walked onto set. And that's the first time I had seen him. And he had this childlike excitement and innocence. Like he had never, like it was the first time he was shooting a movie. It's like he had never been on a film set before. And that for someone who's been working for so many years and he's achieved so much. But he's still so passionate about what he does. And to treat Saundarya, who's his daughter, he completely, didn't take advantage of that. He just treated her like he would treat any other director, and he would take all instructions from her and allow her to shout at him if he wasn't doing it right. But it was definitely one of the most memorable experiences of my life. And thank you, Rajni sir, for giving me the opportunity to work with you.
Fabulous, and you're looking wonderful in Chennai Express. We want to see more of you when the film releases on August 9th. A few lines of Tamil for us, please. We would love to hear you speak in Tamil.
Yellarku vanakkam.
Me too. Yeah. Same to same. Yellaru.
Na unakku love pannaren. காதல்கிறேன் நான் உங்களுக்கு காதல்கிறேன்.
Not bad, you got it almost right.
I'm missing my tutor right now.
No, but trust me, Deepika, you don't want to get off the stage and say that. You will be bombarded.
I know one more. Uire.
Yeah, that's exactly what people say whenever they see you on screen, and probably what everybody is thinking right now. Come on, let's give him a huge shout. And today you're here to finally judge the finale of the Meena Lookalike contest. We hope you will have fun. We have 3 finalists who are ready and waiting to see you. Having said that, what about the dance for us? We have you here and we know that you're the biggest entertainer that we've ever seen in our lives. And we would love to see something from you.
Come here.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. The protagonists, the 2 mega stars of Chennai Express, the action-packed entertainer that's about to hit the screens on August 9th. A moment that we will never ever forget in our lives. A dream come true for most of us to be sharing the hall with the one and only Badshah himself. Give it up for Shah Rukh and the ravishing Deepika Padukone. Can we have the audience singing? अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मुंड बना के मुझको थोड़ा रंग घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मुंड बना के रजनी huge round of applause to the protagonist of the most awaited Chennai Express. Let's give it up one more time to the King Khan himself, along with the ravishing Deepika Padukone. Thank you so much for joining us once again.